Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a diversified portfolio with eTrade easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin building a diversified portfolio with eTrade, start by creating an account if you haven't done so already. Visit the eTrade website and click on the Open an Account button. Follow the prompts to provide your personal information and complete the registration process. Once your account is set up, log in to your eTrade account dashboard. Navigate to the Markets section to explore various investment options available. Consider starting with a mix of asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Use the search function to find specific investments that align with your financial goals. Take advantage of *Trade's research tools to analyze stocks and funds. Look for opportunities in different sectors to minimize risk. Once you've identified investments, evaluate the allocation you want for each asset. Diversifying typically means not pouring too much into one area, so aim for a balanced approach. Add your chosen stocks and funds to your watchlist for closer monitoring. When ready to invest, visit the Trade section of the dashboard. Select the asset you wish to purchase and specify the amount. Double-check the order details before confirming your transaction. After purchasing, monitor the performance of your investments regularly. Revisit your portfolio allocation periodically to ensure it still meets your goals. Consider adjusting your investments based on market conditions or personal changes. Finally, stay informed on market trends and economic factors to make educated adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.